Be grateful for each and every breath that you take, because every morning you wake up is a miracle of its own. Perhaps life could have been very different if you had made better choices in the past. Just remember that your journey is filled with lessons, and one day you will understand that they were all important pieces helping you discover who you were meant to be. Sometimes it only takes one person to hold your hand to remind you that everything is going to be okay. Beautiful things happen to those who wait. Hang in there just a little longer. Believe in your strength, because if you are strong enough to make it this far, you can overcome any storm. Every choice you make today is going to make a difference for tomorrow, so choose to be happy, and beautiful things will start happening in your life. Take time and make yourself better. People think being alone makes you lonely, but I don't think that is true. Dear God, if I am wrong, correct me. If I am lost, guide me. If I start to give up, keep me going. People will come and go in life, but the person in the mirror will be there forever, so be good to yourself. Don't talk about loyalty. I am still here holding secrets for people who are throwing dirt on my name. Sometimes you have to leave, not for ego, but for self-respect. Don't complicate life. We won't be here forever. Your time is too valuable to waste on nonsense. I keep my personal life private, so don't think you know me. You only know what I allow you to know. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. Removing yourself from places where you don't feel loved, appreciated, or respected is self-care. Cheating and lying are never mistakes. That's crap is planned. When the decision is made, don't look back again. I hate when people cannot see the wrong in their actions, but only see the wrong in yours. The older you get, the quieter you become. Life humbles you so deeply as your age. You realize how much nonsense you have wasted time on. I don't carry any hate in my heart. I just move on and forget your existence. When you finish talking bad about me, don't forget to tell them the good I did for you. You cannot change someone who does not see a problem with their actions. Sometimes your value is not noticed until your absence is felt. You deserve to be happy, not in the arms of someone who keeps you waiting, but in the arms of someone who will take you now, love you forever, and never leave you. You cannot change the past, but you can make changes today for a better tomorrow. Some people are just miserable, always want conflict and problems. Their battle is not with you, it's with themselves. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow, there will be sunshine. Never lose hope. Tomorrow could be the day you have been waiting for. Set boundaries and oak with losing people who prove they are not for you.